So here we are in Aurora, and we have these, I don't know, probably $2 to $3 million homes. They are all sold, and they're all being torn down for new development. So look at this house. Brand new house is probably 20 years old, and it's being torn down. All these houses are being boarded up, and they're being all torn down so that they can build a brand new development in here because of the land. Because the land is worth that much more money than these houses are combined. So look at it. These are not small houses. Look at the roofs. I mean, these are basically brand new, very well kept houses. So they started, look, fountains, everything, and they're cutting them all down and they're boarding them all up, just like that one. And they're going to rip them all down so that they can build a new development in here and parcel off the land and make a ton of money. Obviously, that's what they think anyways. Whether that's going to occur or not, I don't know, but this is how ridiculous land values are here. Some people are just getting ready to move out. They're still living in the house, but some of them are boarded up. And they're basically, obviously, they've gotten really good prices for their houses to move. And here we go. I mean, look, brand new house, all boarded up. Gorgeous house, brick, like, look at this. It's just absolutely fucking ridiculous that this is allowed to go on in our day and age. I don't care commerce or capitalism, but this is ridiculous. Truly ridiculous that this is going on.